Hey guys, it's Mr. Holland, and I'm going to show you a couple of keyframing effects in Premiere that deal with scale and positioning. Okay, the one that deals with scale is very simple. All right, we've got our file in our timeline right here, and we've got two video files. One is a nebula, the other is the space with the kind of planet behind it. The first way to change is scale. Scale will, of course, make things bigger or smaller. So if I just want to keyframe this nebula to come up and get bigger, I go over here to my effect controls. I hit scale at the beginning because I want it to start at 0.0. I don't want it to exist, and I want it to come forward into the frame. So at this point, let's say I want it to take 3 seconds. We see 3 seconds right there. I just have to adjust scale to here so that at 3 seconds into my video, nebula is now over Jupiter. And that's exactly what's going to happen when I hit play. In about 3 seconds, just like we did with our PNG logos, it's going to blow up and it's going to take over the screen. Now that's good. That's interesting. The other way is a positioning wipe. That's a scale wipe. To do a positioning wipe, let's turn off this keyframe and eliminate what I did. When you click that stopwatch, it's going to say, do you want to delete the existing keyframes? And yes, I do, because I want to show you a different way to do it. So it's going to have it at the same size. What I'd like to do with this one is I want it to start off screen because it's going to push Jupiter out. So with this one, I want it to start off and begin. I want the position keyframe now. Click the stopwatch there. Moving it. Oh, excuse me. I don't want up and down. I want it to be positioned off. I want it positioned off right there. At the beginning, it's off. And when it's finished, I'd like towards the end, I guess I'd like it all the way in by, let's say it's a pretty quick transition. I'd like it in by here. So I hit this little diamond again, or if you want, you can just start editing and watch what happens when I start editing. It's going to know, it puts the keyframe in right there because it knows I want to put the keyframe in. Oh, it's not doing it. That's okay. Over here, it's going to start, right, because I put it all the way off at the beginning. And I want it in. Oh, where did it go? It just like